This is Bento Mom! I'm Sae and my little helpers, Sae and Sana! Okay, so today we're gonna make Japanese style pizza. Pizza. Do you know Japanese style pizza? No? What kind of flavor do you like?
I like cheese pizza.
Cheese pizza?
I like cheese.
Cheese pizza. Usually cheese pizza or pepperoni or sometimes Hawaiian, pineapple, ham pizza. In Japan, we have so many different flavors like teriyaki chicken pizza or German potato sausage pizza, like that. Today we're gonna make teriyaki chicken pizza! Yay! Okay, so let's get started! So first, we cut the chicken. A little bit smaller than usual. Like this small cornstarch to make it a little bit sticky with sauce. Next, make a teriyaki sauce. Very easy.
It's very easy.
Teriyaki sauce can make with some sake for cooking and some mirin, some soy sauce, a little bit sugar. Mix all of them and it can be the teriyaki sauce. 1 scoop of sugar, 2 scoops of sake.
2 scoops of sake.
Sake, 2 scoops of mirin. Two scoops of soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
But I love soy sauce, so I put some a little bit more soy sauce. Mix together. Okay, now start baking the chicken. The dough. Okay. That's all.
Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Now we make it this way. Whoa. Woohoo! It's pizza. It looks like someone is walking.
Walking along.
Walking along. Walking along with the snow. Walking along with the snow. Oh, that's so big. I think it's not gonna go to... Let me try. Good. Nice and good.
Split the sauce and chicken on the pizza dough. I needed more chicken.
No, I think that's enough.
That enough? You want cheese?
I need one too.
A little bit cheese. Top with mayonnaise.
It's like a big tic-tac-toe.
Okay, so now bake it! Okay. Ta-da! looks perfect. Okay. Itadakimasu.
Oh, it's hot.
How is it?
It's so yummy.
Really? Sana.
Eat the pizza, it's so yummy.
Good. Okay. Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.